Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Manindra. In this session, we are going to discuss about the binomial theorem. We are in the first exercise. We have completed 3 questions from the exercise 6a. So first 3 questions we have completed. And one more general question. Find the fourth terms from lost in the expansion 3a minus 4b whole power 8. In the previous session also we discussed the same question, but by writing that values we wrote. But here we are going to discuss about by remembering the formula we are going to do that. So here like tip, it is the rth term from lost in the expansion x plus or minus a whole power n is t n minus r plus 2. I hope in the last class I told n minus r plus 1. This is the right thing. From the given expansion, find out n and r and get the value. Given expansion in this question, given expansion 3a minus 4b whole power 8. Here n is equal to 8, r is equal to 4. Therefore, the fourth term from lost, the fourth term from lost in the given expansion, in the given expansion is t n minus r plus 2. So t n minus r, that means 8 minus 4 plus 2, which is equal to t6. t6 can be written as t5 plus 1. It is in the form of tr plus 1, where r is equal to 5 here, according to this. So n value is 8, 8c5, and x power, here the expansion is minus na, so before only minus will come. Minus 1 whole power 5, r value 5 here. And x power, x means here 3a, power 8 minus 5 into a value 4b whole power 5. So minus 1 odd number of times minus only will come. 8c5, 3a whole power 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5 means 3. So 3 power 3, a power 3, 4 power b, 4 power 5, b power 5. So minus 8c5, 3 power 3 into 4 power 5, a cube into b power 5. This is the sixth term. Fourth term from the lost in the given expansion. You have to remember, dear students, this formula which we discussed in the earlier class as a shortcut formula. Even here also you can remember as a shortcut formula. We'll move to the next question in this exercise. The question number 4. find the number of terms, find the number of terms with non-zero coefficients in 4x minus 7y whole power 49 plus 4x plus 7y whole power 49. Here also these type of questions generally they will ask either in competitive examinations or in the intermediate. So here, before going to discuss about this question, I need to discuss some formula. The number of terms with non-zero coefficients in the expansion. The number of terms with non-zero coefficients in the expansion x minus a whole power n plus x plus a whole power n or n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula. This is the formula we are going to apply to get the answer. So here also given expansion four x minus 7y whole power 49 plus 4x plus 7y whole power 49. Here n is equal to 49. Therefore, direct step. The number of terms with non-zero coefficients in the given expansion are n plus 1 by 2, that is 49 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 50 by 2. So which is also equal to 25. That's all answer. I hope everyone understand. We'll move to the next question. Question number 5. Find the sum of last 20 terms, 20 coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 39. This is also logical question. Find the sum of last 20 coefficients in the expansion. We know that the expansion contains 1 plus x whole power n contains n plus 1 terms. Similarly, 1 plus x whole power 39 contains 39 plus 1. That means 40 terms are there. Out of 40, the sum of last 20, that means half of the terms only, no? So total number of terms, generally x is equal to 1 if you substitute 2 power n will come. The total sum that is. But here they are asking 20 coefficient means it is half of that. So 2 power n minus 1. That is the formula. So first what we have to do is, we have in the answer step the sum of coefficients in the expansion 1 plus x whole power n is 2 power n. But here the condition is they are asking 20 coefficients. You remember that 1 plus x whole power n contains n plus 1 terms. So whenever the expansion contains n plus 1 terms, the sum of coefficients in the expansion is 2 power n. But in that they are asking sum of last 20 out of 40 according to the question. In 1 plus x whole power 39 expansion contains 39 plus 1 which is equal to 40 terms. So out of 40, last 20 coefficient means 40. Last 20 coefficients means in that half 40. Half of the sum of the coefficients. Sum of the coefficients is equal to in 1 plus x whole power n, the sum of the coefficients in the expansion is 2 power n. But in that half of they are asking. So is 2 power n minus 1. Here n is equal to, here n is equal to 39. So n is equal to 1 substitute 2 power 39 minus 1. So which is equal to 2 power 38. So that's the answer. Why we are taking 2 power n minus 1 means it contains 39 plus 1 40 terms. Out of 40, last 20 coefficients they are asking. Last 20 coefficient means half of the terms. So that is the reason 2 power n minus 1 we have taken. So the answer is 28. We will move to the next question. Question number 6 is very important. Even for the competitive exam also, they may chances to ask. If capital A and capital B are coefficients of x power n in the expansion in the expansion 1 plus x whole power 2n and 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1 respectively, then find the value of capital A divided by capital B. Is a good question. See, first expansion is given expansion. First expansion 1 plus x whole power 2n. In that they are asking capital A is the x power n coefficients. Given capital A is the coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power 2n. X power n coefficient, that is A is equal to, you remember, x power r coefficient in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n is NCR, we will write it. In the same way, x power n coefficient in 1 plus x whole power 2n means we can write as 2ncn. This is about A. 2ncn. Similarly, given another expansion, given second expansion, one plus x whole power 2n minus 1, and also given that B is the coefficient of x power n in the expansion of no need to write complete expansion. One plus x whole power 2n minus 1. Here n is equal to 2n minus 1, r is equal to n. So that is B is equal to. So here observe that first expansion, x power n coefficient in the 1 plus x whole power 2n means 2ncn. In the same way, B is the coefficient of x power n in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1 is 2n minus 1 cn. So after getting the values of A and B, we need to simplify. Therefore, capital A divided by capital B. So A value is what? 2ncn by 2n minus 1 cn. We have the formula NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is the formula for NCR. So same way, which is equal to 2n factorial by n factorial into 2n minus n factorial divided by 2n minus 1 factorial whole divided by n factorial into 2n minus 1 minus n factorial. So here n factorial get cancelled, and the rest of the terms we can write it as 2n factorial divided by 2n minus n factorial means n factorial only, no? 2n minus n factorial, once again I will repeat here 2n minus n factorial means n factorial. So next, into denominator of denominator numerator. If you simplify this, 2n minus n is n only, no? So we can write as n minus 1 factorial divided by 2n minus 1 factorial. From the factorial definitions, we need to apply n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. Not only this one, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial also. So based on this and so on, like this we can. So here 2n factorial can be written as 2n into 2n minus 1 factorial. Can we write like this by using this formula? Divided by n factorial also can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial divided by 2n minus 1 factorial. So 2n minus 1 factorial, 2n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial. N get cancelled, which is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of capital A by capital B is equal to 2, which is the required answer. I hope everyone understand, dear students. Now we will move to the second bit, that is second section. In this second section, these type of questions are very important. Find the coefficients. Here two questions we will discuss. One is negative one is plus. Find the coefficient of Roman letter 1 I am explaining now. X power minus 6 in the expansion 3x minus 4 by x whole power 10. This is the question. Like this question they will ask for 2 marks. Be ready to do this type of problems. So here first given expansion you have to write it. The given expansion, first step, given expansion 3x minus 4 by x whole power 10. Keep that equation number 1. Whenever they are asking to calculate the coefficient of x power something, whether it is minus or plus, x power n, x power minus 6, x power 10, x power minus 7, x power 11, like these questions. First you have to calculate the general term of the given expansion. The general term of the given expansion, the GT, here GT represents general term of equation 1 expansion, is here it is in the form of x minus a, no? So minus will come. TR plus 1 equal to minus 1 whole power r into NCR. Here n is equal to 10 only, no? So 10 CR. Next x value is what? 3x. 3x whole power 10 minus r. Here these two subtraction, 10 minus r. Next, a power, a value 4 by x. Already minus we have taken common. 4 by x whole power r. Here whatever the value is there, that only. So minus 1 whole power r into 10 cr. This can be done as 3 power 10 minus r into x power 10 minus r. So 4 power r by x power r. This x power r we can take into the numerator, x power minus r will come. So minus 1 whole power r 10 into 10 cr, 3 power 10 minus r into 4 power r into x power 10 minus r into x power minus r. Bases are equal, power should be added. Therefore, minus 1 whole power r 10 cr, 3 power 10 minus r into 4 power r, x power 10 minus r minus r, 2r. After reaching of this step, you keep that equation number 1. They are asking to calculate the coefficient of x power minus 6. To get the value of r in this equation, the power of x should be equal to the power of minus x power minus 6. So here for coefficient of x power minus 6, equate the power of the coefficient of the powers of x. So for coefficient of x power minus 6, the power of x should be equal to minus 6. What is here x power 10 minus 2r? No? That should be equal to minus 6. Equate 10 minus 2r with minus 6. I hope everyone understand. Here whatever we have the power x power minus 6, that you can equate with this power. So minus 6 will be equal to 10 minus 2r. Just I will remove that for understanding purpose I wrote. So now 10 plus 6 is equal to 2r. So 2r equal to 16, r is equal to 8. This r is equal to 8, substitute in equation 1. R is equal to 8, substitute in equation 1. We get, so r is equal to 8 if we substitute, t 8 plus 1 minus 1 whole power 8, 10 c 8, 3 power 10 minus 8 into 4 power 8, x power 10 minus 2 into 16. So minus 1 whole power 8, even number of times minus, it will become plus 10c8, 3 power 2, 4 power 8, x power minus 6. So this value is equal to coefficient of x power minus 6 only now in the given expansion. Therefore, 10c8 will also can be written as a 10c2. Why, sir? Here in the binomial and in the permutation and combinations, we have the properties. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. By using that, 10C8 will becomes 10C2. 10C8, 10C, 10 minus 8. I hope everyone understand. So therefore, the coefficient of x power minus 6 in the given expansion, is 10c2, I forgot to write completely, 3 square into 4 power 8. So 10c2 into 3 square, that is 9, no need to write 3 square, only write it, into 4 power 8, this value. I hope everyone understand. Next, we will take plus and plus. Both will take that plus. One more problem, we will do that. That I am selecting question number. So difficult question only will take it. Question number 4 we will take, Roman letter 4. In that question number 1, in the Roman letter 2, Roman letter 4. So given expansion, find the coefficient of x power minus 7 in 2x square by 3 minus 5 by 4x power 5 whole power 7. This we want. So, as usual procedure, dear students, in this procedure, first what we have to do is n value, write it, and general term. First given expansion, 2x square by 3 minus 5 by 4x power 5 whole power 7. Put that equation number 1. Here n is equal to 7. The general term of equation 1 is TR plus 1 is equal to the general term of the expansion NCR. Here minus is there, no? Minus 1 whole power R NCR. According to 1 I am writing directly, n is equal to 7 here. 7CR. X, in place of x what value is there? 2x square by 3 whole power 7 minus R, n minus R, into A. A value is what? 5 by 4 into x power 5 whole power R. Now simplify this step. Minus 1 whole power R, 7CR, 2 by 3 whole power 7 minus R into x square whole power 7 minus R. So x power 14 minus 2R. X square whole power 7 minus R. So x power 2 into 7 minus R. 2 7s are 14 minus 2 into R. Into 5 by 4 whole power R into 1 by x. So x power minus 5 whole power R. That also can be written as minus 1 whole power R, 7CR, 2 by 3 whole power 7 minus R into 5 by 4 whole power R, x power 14 minus 2R into x power minus 5R. So bases are equal, power should be added. So which is equal to minus 1 whole power R, 7CR, 2 by 3 whole power 7 minus R into 5 by 4 whole power R, x power 14 minus 2R minus 5R, so 7R. But they are asking the coefficient of x power minus 7 in the expansion. So for coefficient of x power minus 7. For coefficient of x power minus 7, equate 14 minus 7r is equal to minus 7. So here x power, here also x power. We are equating the powers. That is the meaning of here equating. Equate. I hope everyone understand. So that implies that 14 plus 7 is equal to 7r. That implies 21 is equal to 7r. That implies r is equal to 3. R value we got it. So r is equal to 3. Substitute in r is equal to 3. Substitute in equation 1. We get so now equation 1 means here this is equation number 2 here. In equation 2 better, not 1. Equation 2. So r is equal to 3, substitute there. T3 plus 1 minus 1 whole power 3, 7c3, 2 by 3 whole power 7 minus 3 into 5 by 4 whole power 3 into x power 14 minus 21. Minus 1 odd number of times minus 7c3, 2 by 3 whole power 4 to 5 by 4 whole power 3 x power minus 7. So the coefficient of x power minus 7 is what? So this is the coefficient of x power minus 7. Therefore, the coefficient of x power minus 7 in the given expansion is minus 7c3 2 by 3 whole power 4, 5 by 4 whole power 3. Even if you want to simplify, you can simplify. Otherwise, leave it like this. Nothing will happen. Next question, in the second bit we are enter into the second question. In that Roman letter 1 and Roman letter 2 both have selected. So both the problems we are going to discuss now. Very important concept, the independent term. Find the term independent or independent term of x in the expansion of. First I am taking Roman letter 1. First step is given expansion. A root x by 3 minus 4 by x square whole power 10. If it is possible, like this you write it. A root x means x power 1 by 2, no? X power 1 by 2 by 3 minus 4 into x power, x square is there in the denominator, you can write as numerator. So x power minus 2 whole power 10. You put that equation number 1 and here n is equal to 10. So what is the procedure to calculate independent term in the given expansion? So First, write the given expansion and find the general term. After that, after finding the general term, to find the independent term, the power of x in the general term should be equal to 0. If you take like this, r value, you will get it. So after getting the value of r, substituting in general term, you will get independent term of x, or the term independent of x will come. So after writing the given expansion, the general term, you write it. The general term of equation 1 is tr plus 1. So here expansion is minus, no? So minus 1 whole power r. NCR, that means 10CR. X value is what? X power 1 by 2 by 3 whole power 10 minus r into r, I will write neatly, into 4 into x power minus 2 whole power r. Now simplification, minus 1 whole power r into 10CR. Here 1 by 3 whole power 10 minus r and x power 1 by 2 into 10 minus r. So x power 1 by 2 into 10 minus r into 4 power r, ab whole power m, here 4 power r into x power minus 2 into r minus 2r. So next step, minus 1 whole power r 10CR into 1 by 3 whole power 10 minus r into 4 power r, x power 10 minus r by 2 into x power minus 2r. Bases are equal, power should be added. Minus 1 whole power r into 10CR, 1 by 3 whole power 10 minus r into 4 power r into x power, here 2 take LCM, 10 minus 2r minus 4r, sorry 10 minus r. This is a very small mistakes only, it will take sometimes it will be change the complete answer. Dear students, you remember please. So which is equal to minus 1 whole power r 10CR 1 by 3 whole power 10 minus r into 4 power r into x power 10 minus 5r divided by 2. This is the general term of the given expansion. To get the independent term, for the term independent x, for the term independent of x, we equate the power of x. What is the power of x in this? 10 minus 5r by 2 is equal to 0. That we have to do that. So cross multiply, 10 minus 5r is equal to 0. That implies 10 is equal to 5r. So r is equal to 2. So this r value 2, substitute in the, this is this one, you can take as 2. In equation 2, r is equal to 2, substitute in equation 2, we get t2 plus 1 equal to minus 1 whole power r value 2 now. So minus 1 whole power 2, 10 c2 1 by 3 whole power 10 minus 2 into 4 power 2. So x power 10 minus 10 by 2. So minus 1 whole power 2 is 1 plus 1. So 10 c2 1 by 3 whole power 8 into 4 square, x power 0, x power 0 is 1. Therefore t3, therefore the term independent of x, therefore the term independent of x in the expansion is 10 c2 1 by 3 power 8 into 4 square. If you want to expand, you can expand. You can simplify also, but no need. We'll move to the next question in this, that is Roman letter 2. By seeing it is difficult, but it is easy. Given expansion, three by cube root of x plus 5 root x whole power 25. That also can be written as 3 by cube root of x means x power 1 by 3 plus 5 into x power 1 by 2 whole power 25. That also can be written as 3 into x power minus 1 by 3 plus 5 into x power 1 by 2 whole power 25. Here n is equal to 25, x is equal to 3 into x power minus 1 by 3 and a is equal to 5 into 1 by x square. Sorry, x power 1 by 2. Sorry, x power 1 by 2. To get the independent term of x, we need to calculate the general term. The general term of equation 1. The general term of equation 1 is TR plus 1. Here plus is there, no need to write minus 1 whole power r. NCR, that means 25CR. 3 into x power minus 1 by 3 whole power 25 minus r into 5 into x power 1 by 2 whole power r. Now simplification, 25 CR 3 power 25 minus r into x power minus 1 by 3 into 25 minus r. Here we are applying a power ab whole power m means a power m into b power m into 5 power r into x power 1 by 2 into r by 2. Now what I am doing is, here bases are equal, no power should be added, and the rest of the terms you write it like this, 25 CR 3 power 25 minus r into 5 power r x power, first positive value I am writing, so r by 2 minus 25 minus r by 3. Take LCM there, 25 CR 3 power 25 minus r into 5 power r into x power LCM 6, 2 3 is 3 into r 3r minus 3 2 is 2 into 25 minus r So which is equal to 25CR 3 power 25 minus R into 5 power R into X power 3R minus 50 plus 2R. 25CR 3 power 25 minus R into 5 power R, X power by 6 is also there now. So 3R plus 2R is 5R minus 50 by 6. This is about the general term of the given expansion. You put that equation number 2. For independent term, for the term independent, we equate the power of x should be equal to 0. We equate five r minus 50 by 6 is equal to 0. That implies that five r minus 50 is equal to 0. That implies 50 is equal to 5r. That implies r is equal to 10. This r value substitute in equation 2. We get, so T10 plus 1, 25C10, 3 power 25 minus 10 into 5 power 10, X power 50 minus 50 by 6. So it will be 0. Anything but 0 is 1. So 25C10, 3 power 15 into 5 power 10. This is the independent term. Therefore, the term independent of x in the given expansion is 25C10 into 3 power 15 into 5 power 10. We will move to the next concept, middle term. I hope everyone understand about independent term and general term calculating the coefficient of x power minus n or x power n, that concepts. Now the concept is middle term. So the calculating the middle term based on the index, that is n. When n is even number, when n is odd number, we will discuss the cases. In the expansion, x plus a or x minus a whole power n, the middle terms are the case 1, t suffix n by 2 plus 1. When this term will be middle term? If n is an even number. Roman letter 2 property, t suffix n plus 1 divided by 2, comma t n plus 3 divided by 2. If n is odd. So you have to remember, dear students, these two important points. regarding middle term. If n is even number, I will explain both the cases in this session. If n is even number, Tn by 2 plus 1 is the middle term. If n is odd number, Tn plus 1 by 2 comma Tn plus 3 by 2 are both middle terms of the given expansion. So let us have a discussion. The first question in this, the middle terms concept. So first I am taking the better one. So question number 3 in that, in the second Roman only, second bit, in that question number 3, I am selecting one is negative, another one is positive. So first question I am taking, find the middle term. Find the middle terms in the expansion three x by 7 minus 2y whole power 10. First, given expansion, three x by 7 minus 2y whole power 10. Here n is equal to 10 is even. So therefore, whenever n is even number, Tn by 2 plus 1, that is equal to T10 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to T5 plus 1 is the middle term. Is the middle term. So T5 plus 1. T5 plus 1 means it is looking like R plus 1. Like TR plus 1. R is equal to 5 only, no? That is R is equal to 5. T5 plus 1 equal to, here the expansion is negative, no, minus. So minus 1 whole power R. After that I will write R value. NCR, N value is 10. 10 CR 3x by 7 whole power 10 minus R into 2y whole power R. R value we got it now. This value R is equal to 5. So minus 1 whole power 5, 10 C5. So 3x by 7 whole power 10 minus 5, 2y whole power 5. So minus 1 whole power 5 is odd number of times, that is minus only, 10 C5. So 3x by 7 whole power 5. So 3x by 7 whole power 5 into 2y whole power 5, which is equal to minus 10 C5. 3 by 7 whole power 5 into 2 power 5 x power 5 into y power 5. So we can write it as, no need to write, you can leave it like this. This is called T6 or T5 plus 1, that is T6 is the middle term. The middle term. Of the given expansion. We'll move to the next one. Another example we'll take as in positive. So that means positive means question number 3 will take odd number, we will take it Roman letter 3. Find the middle terms of the expansion what is that expansion? 4x square plus 5x cube whole power 17 . First given expansion, four x square plus 5x cube whole power 17. Here n is equal to 17 is odd. Whenever n value is odd, then Tn plus 1 by 2 comma Tn plus 3 by 2, that is T n value 17 plus 1 by 2 T 17 plus 3 by 2, 17 plus 1 18, 18 by 2 is 9, 17 plus 3 10, 20, 20 by 2 is 10, or the middle terms of given expansion. So one by one we will calculate. Let us find. So T9, that can be expressed as T8 plus 1. So in this case R value is 8. So here anyway plus na. So n value is 17. 17C8 x value is 4x square whole power 17 minus 8 into 5x cube whole power 8. So 17C8 4x square whole power 17 minus 8 is 9 into 5x cube whole power 8. So 17C8 4 power 9 x power 18 into 5 power 8 x power 24, 8 3s are 24. In the next step it will come it as 17C8 4 power 9 into 5 power 8 x power 42. This is one of the middle terms. So now T9 completed. Next T10 we are going to calculate. So T10 is equal to that can be written as T9 plus 1. In this case R is equal to 9. So 17C9 1 minute now. 17C9 4x square (17 minus 9) into 5x cube whole power 9. So 17C9 4x square whole power 8 into 5x cube whole power 9. So 17C9 4 power 8 x power 16 5 power 9 into x power 27. Base are equal, both should be added. 17c9, 4 power 8 into 5 power 9, x power 16 plus 27, 43. So this is about T10. So ultimately T10 and T9 are the middle terms. The middle term of the given expansion. I hope everyone understands, dear students. Thank you all for watching my channel. If you like this video, please share to your friends and relatives. And in the next video, we are going to discuss about numerically greatest term, NGT, numerically greatest term, and about binomial coefficients. Binomial coefficients. These concepts I am going to discuss in the next video, that is third video. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths